Hi, this is Eric Parts Actor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the main control board on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new main control board for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The main control board is responsible for controlling many features of the washer. The main control board controls power for the drive motor, drain motor, water valves, and much more. The main control board may have many symptoms of failure and many different error codes. Let us know in the comments below your symptoms. After replacing this, it is very important to run the washer's calibration cycle. You can watch the instructions on how to run the calibration cycle at the end of this video. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 3 screws on the back of the washer. Then, pull the harness cover away from the washer and set it aside for later. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then, slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. 2 clips hold the console assembly to the washer. Looking through the slot that the door sits in, depress one of them using a flathead screwdriver while lifting on the console to free that side. Then, repeat the process with the other clip. Next, lift the console assembly and rotate the top forward, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then, disconnect the encoder boards. Using your phone, take a picture to reference later. Depressing the locking tab, disconnect the power cable from the control board. Depress the retaining tab, holding the EMI filter in place, and slide it forward and set it aside. Then, unplug the electrical connectors. Next, remove the pressure switch hose from the control board. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 2 screws holding the control board in place. If you need to purchase a new main control board, you can check out our website, partsactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the main control board to the top panel of the washer and install the screws. Then, connect the pressure hose to the main control board. Next, align the EMI filter to the control board's housing and slide into position. Then, referencing the photo from earlier, reconnect the electrical connectors. Then, connect the encoder board to the main control board. Next, align the console to the washer and push into place. Reinstall the screws and the harness cover. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, depress the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. Now, run the factory calibration cycle on your washer. To run the cycle, make sure the washer is in standby mode with all the LEDs off and the lid closed. Press key 1, key 2, key 1, key 2 within 8 seconds of each other, with key 1 being temp and key 2 being rinse on our model of washer. The washer then will confirm that it has entered service mode by all the LEDs blinking one time, and then the lid will lock. Then rotate the encoder knob one step. Then press all the keys 1 through 6. When successfully completing, the lid will unlock. Next, open and close the lid to initialize the factory cycle. When the cycle is running, do not disturb the washer or remove power, or you will need to restart the process. The cycle will run from 2 to 4 minutes. You will know when the cycle completes when the LEDs turn off and the lid unlocks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.